9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm still in last night's makeup. I'm waking up like, what's this new tattoo? Room is spinning, ears are ringing. Clutch my pearls like, what the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? Went up on the roof, jumped into the pool. You should do it too. What the hell just happened? No clue, but I liked it. There were just comics, I confess I'm obsessed, nothing best idea. It's a trend in my defense, it's been everywhere. I wanna shake my head over here. I'm in a hotel. I wanna kiss a stranger. What the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? No clue, but I liked it.
Lonely in this crowd, I sit alone. Oh, one more drink away from heading home. Oh, oh, I could feel the night slipping by away from me. And oh, she caught my eye through the light, and she came right over. off our feet. She said this life ain't forever. One song here together, then let's play it on repeat. We can dance all night.
Don't blame me, love made me crazy. It doesn't change, doing it right. Lord save me, my drug is my baby. I'll be using for the rest of my life. I've been breaking hearts a long time, toying with them older guys just to play things for me too. Something happened for the first time. The darkest little paradise shaking, pacing. I just can't.
illness takes its toll. But listen closely.
Not for very much longer.
I've got to keep control.
Just to watch it burn. If you seen all the hell I seen, it make your stomach turn. I think you know why I do what I do when I do. I could tell some stories about some girls you won't believe. Takes more than an hour now to set the center free. I think you know how I try when I try what I try. Last night, I might drink a little, I might smoke a lot, counting down the good times, staring down the cloud, throw some hallelujah to the big man in the sky, showing Sunday morning, looking just like last night. Yeah, that's how I get by. Oh, that's how I get by. Lord, that's how I get by.
How long till it feels like the wound's finally starting to heal? How long till it feels like I'm more than a spoken wheel? Most nights I feel that I'm not enough. I've had my share of Monday mornings when I can't get up. But when hope is lost and I come undone,